How can email marketing help your business? If there is one thing that we like to celebrate is when people achieve success with our training. And by success, we don't mean helping you to simply reach a couple hundred new leads whom to sell to, but leading you to actually grow your business as fast as possible. That is why in this video, we are going to show you how email marketing can help you take your business to new heights. Email has higher reach than most other channels. You may not think of people's email addresses as a valuable marketing channel, but that might be because you might be so used to email that you take it for granted. Yet, you have to look at the numbers to understand why email is still considered to be one of the most powerful online marketing channels available to date. Let's put it this way. There are over 1 billion active Facebook users and over 250 million Twitter users. Those are impressive numbers for sure, but they pale in comparison to the more than 4 billion active worldwide email accounts. And those numbers become more relevant when you examine the behavior associated with them. You need an email address for basically anything online. Do you want to sign up to Facebook or any other social media network? You need an email account. Do you want to buy on Amazon or eBay or on any run-of-the-mill e-commerce site? You need an email address. That means that any company offering a product or service or piece of content that you want to have access to can easily reach out to you once you give them your email address. Marketing emails truly deliver your message. Having an email lead is way better than having a social media follower for a simple reason. 90% of emails get delivered to the intended recipients, while only 2% of organic posts are seen by your social media followers. You also have to consider that in most cases, when people opt into your email lists, it means that they want to receive timely updates from you. Marketing emails drive more conversions. The ultimate goal of a marketing campaign is to drive conversions. You might want to drive sales, traffic to your website, or referral signups, but you want to drive results, and there might not be a better channel than email to that end. Once again, the truth is in the numbers. The average click-through rate of any given email campaign is 3% to 5%, whereas the average click-through rate of social media campaigns is only around 0.5% or so. Even more impressive is the fact that over 4% of visitors to your site that click through email will buy something there, as opposed to only 2.5% of search engine visitors and a mere 0.59% of social media visitors. Email is cost-effective. Email marketing is the cheapest form of online marketing. Period. Check this out, for instance. You'll get an average of 3,800% return on investment for every $1 that you spend on your email marketing campaigns. On a very basic level, it means that you'll earn $38 for every dollar you invest. Email marketing is a longer-term strategy. Email has been around ever since the internet was invented, and it is not going to go away anytime soon. On the other hand, marketing channels such as social media platforms and video sharing sites are prone to irrelevancy, thanks to the rapid shifts in technological development. This means that your email lists will keep on being a profitable resource long after Facebook or YouTube are replaced by the next big thing. Would you like to learn more awe-inspiring facts about email marketing? Then tune in to our following video.